Hello and welcome to the top of the world. Today's project. Okay, so there's music playing in the background, which is going to be a really big problem because I can't turn it off. So let me show you what I've got and what I've got to deal with. Right, so I'm in a boat. Right, and somebody's lost the key. So the throttle system's been taken off and it's down there. All right. Quite clearly it doesn't work, and quite clearly it's not been taken off in a way that it should have been. Anyway, and then this is the new Chinese ignition, and anyway, everything about it's wrong. So, and this is the black wire, which I was told doesn't need to be connected, right? Well, it does, because that's the earth. You can't switch the engine off if you don't connect that. So before anybody clever tells you in the future, you don't need to click the back wire, right? Just shit. Once the engine's started and the way it's twisted together like this, and I haven't done that, right, all the wires are just twisted together. The old one's been taken off and the new ones have just been twisted together. Yeah, you can start the engine and the engine starts fine, but you can't turn it off unless you ground this out. So the black wire, yes, it does have to be connected, always. So what I've basically got to do is shorten all these wires so that this lot all fits in here. Because at the moment, quite clearly, that's not all going to fit in there. So I've got to shorten the wires, fit that in there, work out all this, how it all goes back together, right, and where it all goes, and then screw it back on there. So that you can then start the engine that I was told didn't start. Right, well it does, because I serviced it, so I know it starts, and then I started it. Put this lot back together somehow and fix it back up there. Not exactly the best. Anyway, it's done. 46 minutes, just changed the ignition. Right, 46 minutes changed the ignition. Now, I wasn't asked about this because first thing I knew is they lost the key and ordered this, and then I got confronted with this mess. It's taken 46 minutes to change that. When we get back, we'll see how long it takes for me to operate that ignition switch. Right, I've got to get out of here now. Okay, how long will it take to find a key for this ignition barrel? Well, we've got to do it from when we've arrived back. So we've arrived back, so this is actually from getting out of the car. So we're, what, 15 seconds now. We'll see if we can make sure we got the ignition barrel first. Oh, there's the ignition barrel. So the first thing we'll do is we'll walk across there, because all these old 80s ignition barrels are all the same. And I mean, how many different combinations of key did they really make? Well, not that many. So before we start going through our whole key collection, first thing we'll do is try our key over here. If we can get past all this rubbish I've left lying there. What you should always do is always leave your key in your boat. And don't get lost. Right, this is my key to my boat. So 1 minute 43 seconds, so that took me 1.5 minutes to find a key. Right, well, that's all very good, Simon. Right, you're saying, but that's your key. So we put that one back in there. Right, so we're still on the clock. 46 minutes to put it all back together. Not to mention how long it took whoever took it apart, and all the fiddling and faffing about. Now we go this way. Still with the ignition barrel. Where are we? 2 minutes 15. So we've been on the hunt for a key now for 2 minutes. Oh no, we found a key, but that's my key. That's no good. And of course, this is only theory. We're going to put this on the shelf because we don't need a key for it, because she's got a new barrel. Can't they? We're done with that. Come on. Oh. Right. Still 2 minutes. Oh, I've got... The only thing about wearing these open sandals, I don't even know what I'm doing. Have I hurt my toes? Have I? Did that? Are they bleeding? Oh, yeah. Right. So, old ignition barrel. Spare keys. Now, spare keys are all here somewhere. Boat key, boat key, boat key, boat key, boat key, spare boat key. Three minutes, 28 seconds so far since getting out of the car. Spare boat key. Ignition barrel. Oh, look at that. What a waste of time, effort and money. Yep. Works fine. There you go. So these old 80s ignition barrels, they can't be that different, and even if they were a little different, the chances are you could jiggle it. If you know how to jiggle a lock, you could jiggle it and get it to turn anyway. Can I turn this without jiggling it at all? I'm going to push it in so it's a choke. Yeah. In, turn, ignition, start. There you go. 4 minutes, 29 seconds. That's the only point to prove. Well, that's it for that one. Thank you for joining me. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye for now.